Hey, welcome back to Algebra 2 Easy. Let's graph the following function. First, I'm going to find the x-intercept. And to do that, I set the equation equal to 0 and solve for x. So, some simple algebra, subtract 3 on both sides, divide by 3, and I get x cubed equals -1. Taking the cube root of -1, I get -1. So my x-intercept is -1, 0. Now I can move on to find the y-intercept. To do this, I plug 0 in for x and simplify. That gives me 3 times 0 plus 3, and y is equal to 3. So my y-intercept is 0, 3. Now the last thing I'm going to look at is my leading coefficient, which is a positive number. So that tells me the graph should be increasing from left to right. Now I can plot the x-intercept and the y-intercept, and knowing the graph should increase from left to right, I can draw my curve and graph my function. And now I have f of x. Let's graph the inverse of f of x. I'm going to follow the exact same process. For the x-intercept, I set the equation equal to 0, and I solve for x. I got to get rid of that cube root, so I'm going to raise everything to the third power first. That leaves me with x minus 3 over 3. Getting rid of the fraction, I'm left with x minus 3. And then by adding 3 on both sides, I get x is equal to 3, and I have my x-intercept. Next, I can move on to find the y-intercept. Again, this time I plug 0 in for x and simplify. I get y equals the cube root of -3 over 3. So y is equal to the cube root of -1, which is -1. So my y-intercept is 0, -1. Again, looking at that leading coefficient, and there's nothing there, so that's technically a positive 1. Again, that means my graph should be going up from left to right. Now I'm going to take the x and y-intercept and plot those points. Once I've plotted the 2 points, I need to draw my curve so it's passing through those points. And then drawing the curve, the graph should be increasing from left to right. I hope this helps, and be sure to follow us for more.